Hello, welcome to AI Trident. Today, I'm going to tell you that how exactly you can set up the loyalty reward program in your AI Trident dashboard. So, click on loyalty rewards and go on dashboard. Click on this enable button to start your loyalty rewards dashboard program. Next, go on the setup program and earn points. On this page, you can see 18 activities through which you can let your customer earn rewards on your store. For example, create an account, enable the button from here, click on it. You can set the rewards, or let's say you can set the points that you want your customers to give while they create an account on your store. You can give it a name, you can add the description that will be displayed on the store, and you can also add the reward text and update from here. Next, there are options like customer tag, allow push notifications, becoming an affiliate, celebrate birthday, make a purchase. Enable the button for make a purchase from here. Click on it. Here is the options to set the points that you want the customers to earn on every dollar one that they spend. For example, I want them to get 10 points for every $1 they spend, and you can give the campaign a name here. You can add the description here, page URL, and reward text. Also, you have the option to enable the schedule points. For example, if there is a seasonal sale and you want to give more points on every dollar you spend, let's say 20 points for that particular time frame, you can enable the button from here. Set the points you want to give them on every particular dollar that they spend. Set the start date, set the end date, set the time, and that's it. They'll be able to make more points while purchasing during that time frame, and once that time frame ends, they will be automatically start getting the standard points and update it from here. Next, you have option like refer a friend. Enable the button from here, click on it, set the points that you want to give them here by whenever they will refer their own friends for your store. You can also put discount value here, minimum purchase amount that you want to give points on, and then name the campaign here, give the description here, reward text here, and then just update it from here. Okay, next we have refer a friend option. Here you can click on the enable button for refer a friend. Click on the text. Here this will display where you can put the amounts, or let's say the points you want to award the customer whenever they refer to friend, the discount value, and the minimum purchase you want the customer's friend to spend on the store. And after that, you can give the campaign a name, give out the description here, reward text here, and also you have the options of appearance setting, that how you want that particular pop-up to display on the store. For example, in a button form or in a pop-up form. Choose the descriptions here, whatever you like, and then just update it from here. You also have an option of store visit. Enable the button from here. Click on store visit. Here you can set the points you want to award the customer whenever they visit your store for the first time, and then give campaign the name, the description, the page URL, and time limit, like once in a day. Okay, next we have the store visit option. Enable the button from here. Click on store visit. Here you can see this page will be displayed where you can set the points you want to award the customer whenever they visit your store. Give the campaign a name, for example, visit store. Give the description here, the page URL here, and time limit. For example, if they visit your store one time in a day, you can say that I want to give them the reward, let's say 2 points whenever they visit once in a day, and then update it from here. Next, we have buy $X and get Y points. On X orders, get Y points. Leaving a review. Also, enable the button from here. Click on leave a review. So, you can mention the points you want to give to the customer whenever they give review of your product, whenever they purchase it on from your store. Give the campaign a name. Give the description for the same. Give the reward text right here. And then also you can have the option to give them more reward points whenever they particularly upload a photo, and the amount of points you want to give it on the photo upload. Also on the video upload, for example, they give the review through a video, you can set that I want to give them 10 points rather than just 1 point, or let's say any XYZ point, whenever they upload a video on the store by leaving a review, and just update it from here. Next, you have a gift code option. Also, you have the option to give them points whenever they follow your store on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Facebook share, and Facebook share on Thank You. Now, let me tell you that how exactly your customer can redeem the points that they have earned on your store. For example, amount discount. Click on this option. Here you can mention the discount amount you want to give on the points, how much points you have claimed. Like for example, they have 500 points and they want to redeem their 500 points. So you can give 5% discount on that particular amount they have in their total order value. You can give the reward a title, the reward text here, minimum purchase amount that they can redeem points on, and minimum purchase amount text here, and then save it from here. Next, we have percentage off option. Click on the button. Here you can mention the percent off you want to give on the points you want them to claim on. Next, put the reward title, reward text, minimum purchase amount that you want to be points to be redeemed or claimed on, minimum purchase amount text, and save it from here. Next, we have options like free shipping, free product, product discount. In this, you can mention the product ID, product title, the amount of percent discount you want and or you want to give on that particular product, the points to be claimed here, and the reward title and the reward text here, and just save it from here. Next, we have cart redeem points visit option and the store credit option. In this particular store credit option, you have the option to give your customer store credit for all the points they have. For example, I want to give $1 store credit on 10 points. So you can set the points here. You can set the minimum points to redeem here, maximum points to redeem in 1 day, store credit expiration date, and also the title for the same and the description for clarity. For example, if they have 10 points, they can convert it into $1 store credit whenever they go on the checkout page, and just save the details from here. Okay, now let's move to the advanced setting. In this, you have the option to set up a loyalty rewards custom page on your store, which will be designed by us completely, which will be customized, and it will look something like this on your store. Okay, so now let me give you a brief about how to exactly set the VIP program. So for that, you can enable the button from here to enable the VIP program in your account. Then next, you can set the program start date right over here. And then how a member enters a VIP tier can be based on their points earned, amount spent, and also it could be tag based. And the next thing is that a member has the following amount of time to achieve a VIP tier. They're likely as a reward member, 1 calendar year, and also 365 days from your last upgrade. And then click save from here. And these are the different types of VIP tiers. This could be completely customizable from your end according to your choice. Now let me tell you how to create the VIP program. So for that, click on this button, create a new tier. So you can give tier a name right here. It may be silver, gold, bronze, platinum, completely your choice. You can give the description for the tier right here. And you have to set the milestone to achieve this tier for your customer. And then you can change the display like tier color, tier icon, everything according to yourself. And then here comes the tier settings. So you have to set the earning ratio. You can choose to give more points to your VIP customers. So you can set the ratio from here. And then you have to add the tag for that particular tier. This is needed here. And then you also have the options of providing additional benefits like one-time bonus points, birthday points, etc. And also we have the option that you can notify your customers about their tier upgrade via email. So you have to write the subject line here, the tier upgrade, the tier name, and give the description just right here, and just click on the create button, and your VIP program will all set. Okay, you also have the option to set the points expiry. In this particular section, you can set the days of expiration of the points. For example, you want the points that you have awarded to your customers within 3 months. So you can set 90 days here, and it's completely on to you what is the time period you want to set, and then just enable the button. And also you have the option to set them an expiry email, or let's say notify them that their points will be expired on this particular date. So just spend those coins before the coins gets expired on the store. So click to set up from here. Okay, for here, you can click on the email setting. You want to send the particular mail from AI Trading email or use your own custom domain and update it from here. You can also put the status here, which will show that first point expiry reminder, email type, email days ago here, like how long you want the email to be sent before the expiration date, and choose the email template from here and just update it from here. That's it. You also have options like general settings, email settings, and language settings in the loyalty reward dashboard. Also, you have the option of seeing the complete activity through the analytics in your loyalty reward dashboard. You have the whole activity report here for the customers that have been on your store and doing the activities on the store along with their mail IDs. And by clicking on the mail ID, you can see the complete report of the customer on your particular store. For any more description or any queries, feel free to email us on support@aitrading.com or go on our official website www.aitrading.com and book a demo today. Thank you so much.